What's up guys, we're here for a new Roblox video tutorial. In the last episode we did this with the waypoints and the enemy. Now we're gonna make it its spawn. So we're gonna have a start part, this, anchor it, cancel it off. Now we're gonna call it start. Like this, and we can remove the weld in it. So this part we're gonna just put it red so you can see better, and we're gonna put it half transparent, so not half but 0.6, like this. And now we're gonna create a new folder. So this folder will be the map. We'll call this map. We're gonna put this in that, like this, and we're gonna put the glitch zombie into the server storage. Well, we're gonna add it in a new folder, which is a mobs. We're gonna put the glitch zombie. So now we have this, and now we have our map. The start we're gonna put in the map, like that. And then we add in a new script in server script for this. Well, we're going to call it main game, or just game, or gameplay, anything you want. And in the script we're going to call it local mob equals require. We're going to create a model script in this require script dot mob, and also the map. So local map equals workspace dot map. There. And now we're going to add in a new model script, which we're going to call it mob. Because in the game script we called it, in this script we're going to have to remove script.mob. So this one is good. So now in the mob local mob and return mob, because now it's not model, is the mob. The first thing we want to do is to get the server storage. So just before this or after local, we're gonna put it before, so it will be netter cleaner. Server storage equals game, and you want to get the server storage. Perfect, like this. So you get the server storage because you want to get the mob folder. In server storage, the mobs folder, like this. So in here we want to create a new function mob.spawn. So when you spawn the mob, you want the name and the map. So we're going to send this information from the game here. So it's going to send which mob to spawn and in which map. Now we're going to close the function and log local mob exit mob available with this available, like that. It equals, you want to get the server storage and dot mobs, the mobs folder, and then you find first child name, so the name that we'll receive from the game script. Now you skip 2 lines, and if mob available, then you want to clone, so local new mob, it equals mob available dot clone. So you want to duplicate this, so you want to clone the information he sent from this. This is this. Now you go next line and new mob humanoid root part C frame equals map dot start. So just make sure that the map, the start is here. Start C frame. The C frame is the position in the world and the orientation. So yeah, and you want also to change the parent. So new mob dot parent is equals workspace. Eventually we're gonna make a folder, a mobs folder, but now let's just keep this simple. Else you want to warn this mob is not available, and now just make sure that he knows the mob, and just put dot name. So if it's not available, this mob is not available, glitch zombie. Oh, perfect. And now the next step is to call from the mob spawn here. So in here we want to do a for I is equals 1. Now the amount of you want to spawn, do mob dot spawn. Okay, glitch zombies. Let's just rename zombie for now, because zombie here, comma, map. So the map is this map here, workspace.map. Now task.wait 1. So now if we run, it spawns in 3. So now this works, but now we want them to move. So now this group, well, we can delete this. Well, we'll just copy and delete. Now you copy the script, and now you delete the script. Now we're gonna go in the mob script. Now we're gonna make a new script, a new function, which will be the move function. Function mob.move. Here we want mob and map. So this is the mob and the map. The mob is the mob here, so that you created. Now local, you want to get the, oh wait, I'm done. You can just here just put humanoid equals mob, and you want to wait for child humanoid, and the waypoints, it's map.waypoints, map.waypoints, like this. So if you go in here in map, have the waypoints. I just want to copy paste from here just to make sure that I put the name correctly. Okay, yeah. And now in this for waypoint equals 1 number of waypoints, get children, do humanoid. You want to, now it's only humanoid, it's not mob. Humanoid, this here, like that. Now we need to call the function. Now it's mob.move new mob map. But at the place, we're gonna test it out, and then we're gonna make something else. So now it worked, but now the problem is it is gonna wait before this zombie reach the end before spawning another, and this, we don't want this to happen. We want them to spawn and then the other spawn straight after. So now this is really simple. Just we're gonna change this line. We have to do coroutine. That's wrap. We're gonna use this. That is gonna both do mob.move, and then we're gonna do another brackets and new mob. So now it's gonna send the information new mob map. And now this works. Now it's perfect.